Hi mga Cardin, so this is Hardinerang Nanay once again. So today, for today's vlog, we're going to make fertilizer from our kitchen waste. Let's start with our own kitchen compost. Let's begin with something simple. Container with holes. Okay, those are clean actually. If you want to wash your own bin, it's okay. But I'm confident this is clean. Okay, this soil these holes are important because they let air flow through the scraps inside. Without air, the compost becomes smelly and saggy. With proper ventilation, your food waste breaks down faster and stays fresh smelling. A well-aerated bin is the first step to healthy compost. Okay, next one is the soil you add into the container. This thin layer of soil works like a natural starter. It brings helpful microorganisms into the bin, tiny workers that break down your vegetable peels, fruit scraps, and leftover greens. Okay, the soil also helps control moisture and reduces odors, making your compost more balanced and easier to maintain. Actually, the soil that I'm using is with the composted chicken manure. Do not use chicken manure that is not composted. So that is it. And then we are adding here the eggshells, hard-boiled eggshells, so from this morning's breakfast. So if you're going to use fresh eggshells, wash it first or roast it. So I'm adding the vegetable trimmings, fruit peelings, banana peelings there. Okay, taro peelings also, the gabi. So I just added it, and then add another layer of compost. So that's it. You're just putting it layer by layer. Okay, and then if you have it again next week, you can do it again, or every day you can have it again, again and again, another layer. Okay, I have in here another layer to add, the grass. Any grass you can add around your backyard, front yard. And then we have here also the langka leaves. And then if you have langka or jackfruit leaves, if you have alnos tree leaves, mango leaves, avocado leaves, whatever leaves you have there. And here I have also the, what's this? Oh, the wild sunflower leaves. Okay, it's very abundant here in Baguio, so it's just there. So anyway, today's November. So November, month of November, is their blooming season. It's the blooming season of the sunflower. So they're wild, they're here. So you find beautiful yellow flowers then over the mountain here in Baguio. That is the sunflower. So anyway, there's another important ingredient that we're going to add. That is the charcoal. Okay, and then the ashes. We have here a dirty kitchen outside, so those are the ashes of the wood, panggatong. So we cook pinikpikan outside. And then here, adding a small amount of crushed charcoal helps absorb excess moisture and bad smells. It also improves air circulation inside. That's another dose of ashes. Then another banana peelings over there, and then the charcoal adds minerals and that enrich the final product. Charcoal acts like purifier, keeping your compost clean, fresh, and nutrient rich. With holes for air, soil for microorganisms, and charcoal for balance, our kitchen compost becomes a mini ecosystem that turns waste into something useful and alive. Alright, let's just cover this one. Okay, I'm making sure that when it rains, it will not be, oversaturated with water. Okay. How can we cover it? There's better. Wait, that's not. Okay, this one na lang. So, let the nature do the work, and soon you'll have healthy compost ready for your plants. Okay, we'll just cover it. Again, check it again next week. Okay, or every day you can add a layer, another layer, just long as you cover it with soil. Okay. Okay, 1 week after, here we go. There, so there's a space. So ibig sabihin, meaning the first layer of kitchen waste being decomposed. So we're adding another one. So we have papaya, we have here dragon fruit, bananas, kalabasa. So the kalabasa, I did not remove the seeds, even the papaya. So if it germinates there, it germinates. I will transplant it. Anyways, so that's it. So we're going to cover it again. That's it. Thank you for watching. This is Hardinerang Nanay. For more tips and vlogs on gardening and home garden remedies, just click the notification bell and of course subscribe. Alright? We believe that all plants grow with love. Thank you. Tiinog kabasan muan. Alright?